Hi, this is your Michael. Today it's about broken glow plugs. I'll show you now how you can easily remove them with the disassembly kit from BGS. Here I have prepared a cylinder head and cut it so that you can exactly see how it looks inside. And now we're going to look at how to remove this glow plug with the removal set. The set includes a variety of guide aids in length and thread diameter that you can use for the most common glow plugs. Side tip from me: if you have chosen the appropriate guide aid, place it next to a new glow plug. Then take the drill and set the exact depth with the drilling depth limiter. The drill depth limiter ensures that you do not pierce through the glow plug tip. After we have drilled the hole in the glow plug tip, we chose the right thread cutter from the set. For this, I recommend you to use the tool holder with ratchet function from BGS technique. Let's cut the threads. After tapping, we can remove the guide. Screw the matching guide aid from the set into the glow plug shaft and attach the threaded rod and screw it as far as possible into the glow plug tip. Then counter it with the nut and then remove the guide aid with the glow plug tip from the glow plug shaft. In our case, the whole thing was now quite easy, because the cylinder head was cut in half. In your case, this will be a little bit harder, but there you can work with the appropriate combination wrench and easily remove the glow plug tip. The tool is characterized by its simple and safe handling. That's certainly something for your workshop, your BGS Michael.